Today we are creating this stylish house design with the music Oh My God from Adele. Hi, my name is Artem and this is a channel about design and inspiration. Let's start. As usual, I started with sketch drawing Adele herself from the Oh My God video. And these several lines shows us what shape our house will be. Then I start creating the house itself. Here I also start from the main sketch lines, then move on to details. When the main parts are ready, I pick up the marker and create the volume. And we immediately see how the sketch begins to come to life and stand out on the sheet. I do not forget about Adele's figure and also outline it with a marker creating the same volume. And in order to add an accent to the whole drawing, I make a gray background behind Adele's figure. That's all. It's very simple. See you next time. Bye bye.